So Mommy's Heart Foundation, some of the projects that we are currently busy with, we are assisting people not only in Jubilee, we are assisting them with a higher institution application. Yes, if you want to go to university or TVET college, we are there to assist. We tell them about the different courses and the courses that they actually qualify for, and also we also assist with NSFAS applications.
Okay.
Yes, if anyone wants to go to school, they can contact us. We have a Facebook page, which is Mommy's Heart Foundation. So they can go to our Facebook page. We have different links for different universities that are currently open. And also TVET colleges are going to open for NCV during the month of September, October. For those who don't have matric but that have grade 9 and going to grade 10. So we are there also to assist.